Hey everyone, so I just want to show off how much phone unboxings have changed since 2018. So I have the Pixel 3 here from 2018, and I have the brand new Google Pixel 9a from 2025. This just came out. Again, this one came out in 2018. So here are the phones. I'm not going to actually unbox the phones. I'm just going to show you guys what we got with each of these when they were actually released. Starting off with the easier one here. This will be for the Pixel 9a. Besides from the wrapping that the phone was in, you get a SIM card ejector tool, and then you get some very small amount of paperwork, and then you get a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that is what you get in the box, of course, along with your phone. Now going back in time to 2018 when the Pixel 3 actually came out, which is near the end of 2018. For one, you can see how much bigger this box is. It's almost double in size. Open that on up. Of course, you had your plastic wrapping. A lot actually cheaper looking and feeling plastic wrapping, but still plastic wrapping there. Actually, on the new one, this might be more probably recycled. And you, of course, had your phone in here. That was going to be in there. And then it just keeps on going here. So then we have a whole bunch of paperwork here. How much thicker that is than the new one, which is probably just more or less a waste of paper. Then we had our SIM card ejector tool there as well. And then we will continue on in the box. You get so much more stuff. So we get actual wired headphones, which is pretty nuts. These are wired headphones in the box. You get your USB-C to USB-C cable, which is like you get with the new one. We then have a USB-C to audio there. And then USB-A to USB-C, which they just quit doing I don't think too long ago. And then again, this just keeps on going here. Then you also get a charging brick, which pretty much almost no phones, I shouldn't say no phones, almost no phones give you these days. And we can see here, this is about, if it'll focus, 15 to 18 watt charging brick here. And then talking about the price here, so back in 2018, the Pixel 3 actually was $800, which is kind of insane. I thought it'd be a lot cheaper than that, but it was $800. Now, of course, this is not the 9a, which is not the flagship phone from Google, but this is $500. But the actual regular 9 would be $800 if you do not get them on sale today. So basically the same price as the 3 was back then. And just like the 9a, with the 9, you only get the same amount of stuff. Kind of crazy how much less stuff you get with today's stuff, new phones, than you did back, 7 years ago. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.